Welcome to our video comparison. Today we're diving into a showdown between two incredible products for mobile content creators, the PICTRON U200 ring light rig and the hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus gimbal. Both priced at $79, these devices cater to different aspects of video production. The PICTRON U200 is a robust lighting rig that offers exceptional illumination for your shoots, while the hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus is a compact gimbal stabilizer designed to provide smooth, professional-grade footage. In this video, we'll compare them across three key areas: lighting capabilities, stabilization performance, and overall portability. Let's get started. The PICTRON U200 shines with its integrated LED ring light, offering a color temperature range from 2500K to 8500K and a high CRI of 96+, ensuring accurate color reproduction. This makes it ideal for makeup artists and content creators who require consistent and adjustable lighting. In contrast, the hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus lacks any built-in lighting, necessitating additional external light sources for low-light shooting. While the gimbal excels in stabilization, it falls short in lighting capabilities, making the PICTRON U200 the clear winner in this category. When it comes to stabilization, the PICTRON U200 offers only passive stabilization, relying on the user's grip to minimize shake. This can be limiting for dynamic shooting scenarios. On the other hand, the hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus features advanced 3-axis motorized stabilization, providing smooth and professional-grade footage even during movement. This makes the gimbal the superior choice for action shots and vlogging on the go, where stability is crucial. In terms of portability, the PICTRON U200 is relatively heavy, weighing around 0.912 kilograms, which may be cumbersome for extended use. Its robust design, however, provides stability for stationary shooting. Conversely, the hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus is lightweight at just 0.38 kilograms and features a foldable design, making it easy to carry and ideal for travel. For creators on the move, the gimbal's portability is a significant advantage, allowing for effortless transport and setup. In conclusion, the choice between the PICTRON U200 and the hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus ultimately depends on your specific needs as a content creator. If you prioritize lighting and need a reliable rig for stationary shoots, the PICTRON U200 is an excellent option. However, if you require smooth, dynamic footage and portability for on-the-go filming, the hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus is the better choice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.